Hey guys, you know it's your girl Kissy and Stapple, and it's that time again of the year. You know it's Easter time, fast approaching around the corner. And you know we Jamaican, we have to have the Easter bun on the table, and we have to have the fried fish on the table, and some people have them sorrel on the table. So guys, right this I'm gonna try to make myself an Easter bun. I'm a first time, I never do it before, so I'm gonna try and see if I can make a bun for myself. So yeah, I make a bun, but the bun done already, you know, and on Easter yet. So guys, only nobody come at me. I'm a first time doing it, but I think I did a pretty good job. I put too much fruits in it in the last half on top, but I like it. So guys, when I go over, go watch, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think about this Easter bun. Beeps. So guys, these are my ingredients. This is 2 Dragon Stout. Over here I have some raisins, some mixed fruits, some cherries. Over here I have some vanilla, strawberry jam, molasses, honey, vegetable oil, some sugar, my flour. Over here I have some cinnamon powder, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, mix spice, ginger powder, and over here I have some butter. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my bun. What is Easter without bun? This is my first time, so I think I can conquer it. Yeah. So right here now I have my butter, and I'm pouring inside my Dragon Stout inside the butter, and I'm gonna put it to melt, because to get the butter melted you have to put it, I'm gonna put it in a microwave or put it in a pot for maybe 5 minutes. I put in my molasses right there. I put in my vegetable oil. I use vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil of your choice, but I use vegetable oil. I put in my honey right there. This honey is from Ghana, yeah. And right there I'm gonna put in some strawberry jam. I'm gonna put in my strawberry jam. You can use any flavored jam you want, but I use strawberry jam. And right there I put in some vanilla inside. So right, that's my wet liquid. I'm gonna put in my fruits, so that is cherry, raisin, and some mixed fruits inside the wet ingredients. I'm gonna put in some sugar, brown sugar right there. I use brown sugar. I don't know what kind. It's best to use brown sugar, not the white sugar. I don't like the white sugar. It's best to use brown sugar. So I'm gonna stir in my ingredient inside the liquid, and as I said, I'm gonna put it on the fire for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes to melt the butter. So right there my ingredients. So right over here I have my dry ingredients. I get me some flour. I sieve my flour, guys. So I'm going to put in all my mixed spice. I already tell you guys what spice I'm using. So I put it inside my flour, and I'm going to mix it in to make it evenly inside the flour. So right there I'm mixing in my mixed fruits, no, my dry ingredients, mixed spice inside my flour. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm spinning it, turning it, stirring it. So right there now my butter is melted in my liquid, so I'm gonna add my dry ingredients right now. So I'm gonna put in my flour gradually, put in my flour, and I'm gonna use my mixer, what they call it thing, I remember, and I'm gonna mix up I'm gonna mix in the flour inside the wet ingredients. So I'm mixing in my flour right there. So guys, I'm mixing in the flour, and I had my flour gradually, and you don't want it too thick and you don't want it too light, so just like a medium, like minimum like medium, yeah, because you don't want when it come out it tastes like a bowl of cake, tough and whatever, you understand? So right there, guys, I grease my pan. I use butter, and I grease my pan right there. So I'm pouring in my ingredient inside my pan, and my oven's already preheated for 350 degrees, and I'm gonna bake this for 1 hour. So guys, I made 2 cakes, not cake, I make 2 buns out of this ingredient. So I have some leftover cherry, and I say why not put it on the top to make it look a little fancy and look a little nice right there. So I put in the cherries, because I said why I'm gonna leave this over. So I had my cherries on top of the bun, and then I have some mixed fruit. So I said let me put some mixed fruit on top of it to give it that nice little look, you understand? It's my first time baking bun, so you don't have to stay with me, guys. But I think I put too much of the ingredients on top, because when they come out it was too much, but it tastes good. It was okay for me. Look at that, look how colorful that look, and how beautiful that look right there. So right about now I'm gonna put it inside the oven, and I'm gonna bake it for 1 hour. As I said, 1 hour. I'm gonna bake it for 1 hour at 350 Grace. So right there now I have some, I take out my bun, it's already baked, and I have some melted butter with honey, and I'm putting it on top to glaze it to give it that nice like shiny look right there. So right there, so now me I glaze my bun with the little melted butter and honey right there. So guys, my the bun it smell nice. You see, every time I just want to just pop the oven, but I have to wait. It smells so nice and the bun tastes so good. It was so moist. It tastes really really good. Look at that. Look at my bun for my first time. Yeah, my first time I bake bun. My first time I bake bun right this Easter bun, but it done already, you know, and until the Easter, yeah, eat off a bun already with the cheese. So there guys, as you can see, my bun is right there. It looks so colorful and nice. You understand? It looks so colorful and nice. So guys, tell me what you think about this bun, if I did a good job. Bye.